Excuse the mess. I usually don't do this. Whoa. Focus, focus, focus. I don't know how to get this thing to focus. Whatever. Let's awaken the beast. Maybe you guys can actually hear what she sounds like now. No, no. I'm not trying to deal with that. I can't wait for this meet tonight. I'm just so excited to shoot stuff with this camera. You guys just do not understand. So, I can't wait to see how it turns out, bro. Like, the sky's the limit. I don't care how many subscribers I got right now. I'm just ready to get stuff going. I really love doing this. It's a lot of fun. The cars turn out looking great. My girlfriend is actually talking about making a YouTube channel. As soon as she gets the name, I'm gonna shout it out. She probably gonna get more than me quicker because hers is it's just really good. It's gonna be really good, you know, what she's doing. So I'm super proud. So yeah, let's get rolling. I hit you guys up when I'm headed to the meet. I'm on my way to the meet. Pretty close. So showing up fashionably late, so not too late. So watch when I come back outside. Somebody's gonna be parked right next to me. But it is what it is nowadays, I guess. What's that? Mission success. Into the car. No one parked next to me. Look at that. Yeah. Had to get that, man. Might get too hot at the meet. Never know. Yeah, man. Oh my gosh. Every time I walk up on the car, bro. Every time I walk up on the car, I look at this. And if you scratch my shit on purpose, bro, real talk, come see me, bro. We can just talk it out. You know what I'm saying? Woo. SVE's going crazy. Going dumb, going stupid. Whew. My God, man. Y'all don't understand how much of a dream this is for me. I know to a lot of other people, you know, a 2-valve is not a big deal. But for me, it is. You know, my whole life, my dad was telling me that he didn't want me to get a VA. He didn't want me to get a VA, mainly because of the insurance. And him saying that, I really, you know, understood why. And I started thinking, like, maybe I don't want to pay insurance just because I have a certain size engine and because of my age and because of the color of the car and because it's a 2-door. So I really felt like, let me check that out. I would never be able to drive a V8 Mustang. I always thought I was going to drive a Charger or a Challenger. Let me drive a boat. But yeah, I'm super excited because this is only the beginning for me. I love this car a lot. I want to own another Mustang while I own this one, but that's a whole nother separate video. I'm going to talk about why people should own 2-valves. I'm going to talk about a lot of things. It's just going to be separate videos where I'm just driving around and stuff like that on days where I can't come up with content. Sorry for breathing hard in the camera, guys. Hello, Trent. Hey, Dane. Yeah.
Yeah, moving up in the world.
I had to upgrade. Mr. Mini Coop's in the fresh right there, guys.
You gonna have a good mic on this one?
Yeah, I hope it's a good mic on this one. Look at Trent.
Dude, I'll let you park that good with you.
Sick.
I know, right?
Hey, just run over the bike and park next to me.
He figured since the Mini Coupe weighs the same as the dirt bike, you guys park next to each other.
Exactly, same color too.
All right, let me park before that coyote takes my spot. I definitely don't know how to park. Look at that parking job, dude. Golly. But you guys know Topless, aka Spencer, Trent, Project X, right?
Yes. Yes.
Hey, I got it right. Spencer has the cleanest new edge in the city, and Trent.
That's arguable.
You think so?
Right now it is. All things filthy.
And then Trent has the highest mileage new edge in the city.
233,000 miles.
Hey, man. Which is a video that I'm going to have coming soon, why you should own a 2-valve. I mean, because I feel like there's a lot of people go from, V6 Terminator. Oh, yeah, that shit's going to be wrapped around a tree soon. But
hey, it's all about reliability while being fun or having fun.
Yep. I'm going to record a little bit later, but I'm going to chill with the guys and get to talking and enjoy myself a little bit. Then I'll get back to recording and vlogging for you guys.
So you're going to take pictures?
Is it though? My battery will instantly die. This is my guy right there. He actually wants to get rid of it and get a Mustang. FYI. We gotta go look at this right here.
Are you fixing my paint? Whoa! Thank you.
This is a... Oh, shit, I wanted to guess first. I was gonna say R33, but at least I know what I was gonna say. I was gonna say R33, but it's R32. It's cool. The shift knob is very fitting. I'm definitely a DBZ fan through and through. Vegeta is the best. He needs to get his glory. The fast boys show up later. Every single time. Damn it. That's what I'm talking about.
B-Tech.
Why is there dogs always taking shits at these meets? Every time I've come to a meet, there's a dog taking a shit. That looks like dip. Yo, is this dip?
Really?
Yo, is this dip?
Is that?
Is this dip?
I think it's a wrap.
It's a wrap. Almost looks like dip. What up, what up? It's a GT guy, sorry. Look at that shit, man. I would say goals, but I kind of want this platform. I want this platform and that car though. Trent, you doing some more rice mods?
That's Spencer.
Sorry, man. You have no mods.
I feel that.
Are you ever gonna do some?
Yeah, when I'm not dead.
True. I felt that.
The logical decision.
I felt that. The rest of us are like, fuck it.
Send it.
Send it. This is Trent's car.
Yep. I'm making Sean pick it up in his van.
Completely stock GT. Mustang. He has some sentimental value to this car, so I completely understand. We always mess with him about it, but I love it. I really wanted a black New Edge GT because I was going to do the Terminator bumper, then I was going to do the Terminator wing. I was going to keep the Terminator rear bumper. I was going to do the S550 mirrors. Oh my gosh, I wanted it so bad. I was going to do Terminator hood, but I got a V6 red one. What's up? Oh shit. I got one hand. Yeah, I'm recording.
Hey.
For the channel, man.
Oh,
Subscribe.
you have a channel?
Yeah, subscribe, bro. Yeah, bro. So what's up? What's the plans?
Nothing much. Just working on the car.
Still messing with the BMW, bro?
Yeah.
I swear, I seen you pulling in, and I said on video, I was like, he's thinking about getting a Mustang.
Oh yeah, that's my dream car. That's exactly what I want.
Here, just take it. Just take it. You want it? You can have it.
I'm going for that.
The S550?
Yeah, right over here.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not good enough. Want to see the new wheels?
Yeah.
You can come on this side. This is your good side.
Like it. Good start.
Yup. 255s. I used to, but I think it looks better without it, so I'm gonna plug these.
Was it like someone the previous owner put it on?
No, it came with it. Stop.
Okay.
But I feel like honestly, these should have came from the factory without a spoiler because I think they all look better without one.
The only thing I would say a duck lip or a duck fin.
Yeah, but they only made those for the new edges because of the Terminator. These don't have a duck one, which it should, because it kind of has one built in.
Do that color so sick. I'm sorry.
Oh no, you good. I was just talking to that guy. He's finna start a YouTube channel too. The downforce this creates. That's what makes the difference.
Exactly.
Is that the YG Suwu? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, bro, he's running slick for the back. Don't tell people that. Just tell them.
I'll tell you this. I can't go another winter.
No, there ain't no fucking way you can even go a light winter.
Where's your car?
See, it didn't happen. The tires, the motor.
Oh, so did mine. My old one.
So
went.
funny.
Oh yeah, vlogging. I got a YouTube channel. So, Sean, I
Living
just
the
started.
dream.
Yeah, I just started up. So,
See, if you just wait until my car's back to where it was, it spits out blue flames about this long, it's solid.
nice. You gonna get it back running or
Do me a
what?
favor, don't post this video until I get the warranty established.
Oh.
Okay, so cut that part out.
Oh shit.
So this is your BMW?
Yeah. Yep.
Nice.
Thanks.
I bought it. It was gray. I did all of this. Well, it's not perfect, and I wasn't prepared to come here. I was just like,
But it's you, man.
Yeah, it's a fun car. I like it.
Definitely you.
Hand
That's what
stitched the steering wheel, did the headliner,
That's
motor
what.
swap.
That's what matters, bro. Motor swap.
Yeah, the old one blew up, so I just me and I don't know where he is, but me and this guy named Mike, there he is. We
Okay.
just dropped the subframe, ended up bolting her straight in. It went really quick, actually.
I was gonna say you made it seem like it was quick, like
Yeah,
like a day job.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
A day job.
Yep. That's him though. He helped out tremendously.
GTO. What the actual fuck? Damn. Mustang dude drilling over a Camaro. That looks so good. Badass.